Yeah, g'day, it's Peter here from Priority Plus Plumbing. We've just recently had a full revamp of our website. Didn't know where to go or what to do in relation to generating a new website. So I know Matt, and I thought I'd touch base with him and get him to put together something for us. We had a very boring website, and that was our issue. We wasn't getting a lot of leads. So Matt came up with a proposal to generate a new website for us, which we took him up on. And one of the main parts of not only refreshing the website was the projects gallery at the back end of it, which is really good for our commercial larger projects that we're pretty proud of, and we can I suppose showcase through the back end of our website. So that's one of the main things that I took on board. It's helping us with a lot of email marketing on the back end of things, and helping us with our domestic I suppose landing pages, and our ability to deliver a better website to our clients and try and get some more leads, as we all know it's a bit hard. So just wanted to do a quick shout out to say thank you. It's very professional and has the ability, I suppose, to take all the hard thinking out of the way for me. So it's just hand it over and get it sorted out, and then just call on me when it was needed at the time. So just want to say thank you. And if you're thinking of it and you're in the trade business and you're thinking of maybe needing someone to look at a website or to do some website, I really couldn't go past it as far as a referral goes. I wouldn't go past it, because it actually knows more than a lot of other people do in this space. And it was very professional and well delivered, and the after sales service is phenomenal, because I'm still annoying Matt. So appreciate your time.